Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to change email on Snapchat. All right, it's pretty easy to do. Start by opening up your Snapchat app. Now, once you're in here, just go ahead and tap on your profile right here at the top left. All right, tap on it. Now, in here, you're going to want to locate the gear icon, which is usually located at the top right. Tap on it. Now, in here, as you can see in my account section, just scroll down a bit until you find email right here, then tap on it. And as you can see here, you won't be able to see edit buttons to change the email, right? So basically what you would want to do is just tap on your email itself. And as you can see, it will bring up the keyboard from our device. All right, now let's say, for example, I'm going to change this one to another email. I'm just going to add in two because I have a different email that exactly like this. Then I'm going to hit on save. All right. Now I'm going to add in my password as it is required. And as you can see here, by verifying a new email address, the current email will no longer be associated with your Snapchat account. Just go ahead and hit on save, and it will require some verification process. All right, just go ahead and enter your password right here. All right, once you put your password, just tap on next. All right, as you can see here, it says your email address has been verified. That's basically how you change your email on Snapchat. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.